Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Cloudflare DNS and SSL for SaaS uptime, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Cloudflare for your SaaS application, first, sign in to your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, click on the Add Site button to initiate the setup. Enter your domain name that you wish to manage with Cloudflare and click Begin Scan. Cloudflare will take a moment to scan your existing DNS records. Once the scan is complete, review the DNS records Cloudflare detected. Ensure that your existing records are present and correct. If any records are missing, add them manually by clicking Add Record. Make sure to select the appropriate type for each DNS record, such as A or name. After verifying your DNS records, choose a Cloudflare plan that suits your needs and proceed. In the next step, Cloudflare will provide you with new name servers. Update your domain's name servers at your domain registrar to point to the Cloudflare name servers provided. This step is crucial for routing traffic through Cloudflare's network. After changing the name servers, it may take some time for the changes to propagate. Next, navigate to the SSL/TLS settings in the Cloudflare dashboard. Choose the SSL option that fits your requirements. The flexible option is straightforward but not always the best for security. For maximum security, consider using full, strict SSL options. If you select full, strict, ensure that your origin server has a valid SSL certificate. After selecting your SSL options, proceed to the DNS settings again. For each of your website's DNS records, ensure the cloud icon is orange, indicating that Cloudflare is enabled. Next, move to the firewall settings to configure rules for your application's security. Consider setting rules to protect against common threats like DDoS attacks. Now, navigate to the caching settings to improve loading speeds. You may enable Always Online and adjust cache levels based on your application's needs. After you have configured these settings, test your site to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You can use tools like SSL Labs to check your SSL configuration. Also, dig into your DNS settings to ensure the records resolve correctly. Finally, monitor your analytics on the Cloudflare dashboard to gain insights into your traffic and performance. This comprehensive approach will enhance your SaaS application's uptime and reliability with Cloudflare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.